Hello sir, it's Mohammed Ali. I am a Google policy specialist, and here in this video I am going to show you a recent case that was Google are suspended for circumventing system under clocking issue. And if I show you this is my client Google Ads account. If you see, if I show you last 7 days data, now it's running perfectly. If I show you last 30 days data, you can see that 16 August it got suspended. Oh, sorry, 16 August I reactivated it, but it is long time it got suspended. So my client tried to knock many agency and freelancer for fix their suspension issue that was suspended for clocking issue. So you know that circumventing issue system issue and clocking is a very hard for reactivated. So when my client hired me, then I am working on this case, and finally we reactivated it. If you see that it got suspended in November 2024, and it's a long time, they cannot reactivate it. So when they hired me, then we reactivated it. If you see, if I show you the campaign now, if you see that this campaign eligible and it's run perfectly, if I go to check the notification, you can see that 18 August, 7 days ago, your account has been deactivated. So if I show you, it's 837. So if you see, it's 837. Okay. So if I again reload it, then you can see the same thing. So we are Aliwave Digital Solution. We are working for Google Ads suspension and Google Ads disapproved, any kinds of Google policy issue. If you check the notification, your account is unsuspended. So my client was very happy because after a long time they back to their ads account, and also give us some bonus because they was very satisfied with our services. So you know that circumventing system policy and under clocking issue. So it's clocking, you know that it's a very hard case for fixing. If you know that when you have it generally reason because of that when refer showing different content on your website to different people or Google to try to hide things that might break Google's ads rules. So you don't know what is the mistake of your website, but in the day Google multiple time deny you, and that's the reason for the issue. So you know that also there are lots of reason. If you read this policy, you can know about more details. So that was the things. If I show you this policy issue, you can see that now okay. So the policy history, upper history, there is no any data, and okay, so there also destination not, it's not an issue. So yeah, that's it. So if you see that, if I show you again, okay, this one update, great news, your appeal was successful, circumventing system successful. Okay, so it was 873. So this 873, so it was suspended for a long time. If you see that it's suspended November 2024, and now it reactivated in July. So it's a long time, long process. So they hire lots of client, lots of freelancer, lots of agency, but are unable to reactivate it, and then finally we did it. So if you face any kinds of Google has disapproved or Google has suspension issue, feel free to knock us. We are always here ready for you to provide our best services so that you can get back to your ads account and you can run your ads again. Thank you. Thank you so much.